In this video, we're going to learn how to use an Nspire graphing calculator to solve systems of equations. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to turn the calculator on. So up here on the very top right is on in your home screen. If you push that, you get this screen that pops up. And we want to start a new document. So you can, these arrows here move you around. So I'm going to hit the right arrow button to go over to New Document, and then I'm just going to hit the Enter key. To enter, I can use this in the middle, or I can come down here underneath my operators and push the Enter key. I'm going to go ahead and just push this one in the middle. And then I get a screen that looks like that. We need to add the calculator, which is what's highlighted. So I can just push the Enter key again. And I have a new blank screen. Alright, so now I'm ready to tell it what I want it to do. So I'm going to move over here to the menu button. So the menu button's the third one down right here on the right. I'm going to push menu. And I need to go down to algebra. So I can either just push the number 3 and hit enter, or I can arrow down. And if I hit enter, it pops up another option, and I know that because it had the little arrows on the right. And I want number 2, the solving system of linear equations. And then I'm just going to hit the enter key. We're going to be doing 3x3 systems, so we need to change that number to 3. So if I come down here to this delete button right here above where it says clear and delete it, and then type in the number 3, and if I hit the tab key to move to the next line, and then it gives me the variables x, y, and z, which is what I want. And then I'm going to hit the tab button one more time, and I'm going to go down to OK and hit enter. Alright, so now I'm ready to enter my system of equations. So the first one we have is 3x plus y plus 2z equals 9. Alright, so I just enter my keypad. So 3, the variables are down here on the very bottom row. They're different colors, so you can find them easier. So 3x. Whenever I'm doing add, subtract, multiply, divide, those are over here. So I need 3x, and then plus, go back down here to the y, plus 2z. And now I need to put in equals. So I got to come over here on the very far left. Don't push enter. I actually need an equals sign, which is over here on the far left underneath this blue control key. So I'm going to hit that equals button. And it's supposed to equal 9. Alright, then I'm ready to go down to my second equation. So hit the down arrow to move down. And I need negative 2x. So I got to make sure I use this negative sign right here, not the minus sign. Minus is over here with the plus and the times. The negative key is here. So I type in negative and then 2x plus 2y plus 3z, and then again I need the equal sign, so I got to go here on the far left, equals 6, and then my last equation, I have 2x minus y, and this time I did use the subtraction and not the negative because it's a minus y, plus z, come back over here to my equals button, 8, and then I just push enter. So my solution is 1, negative 2, 4. So x has a value of 1, y has a value of negative 2, z has a value of 4. You can do the same thing with 4 equations, 4 variables. Alright, so if we go back to menu, go down to our algebra option, solve. Only for this one, this next one, we're going to do 4 variables in it. So I'm going to delete out 2, then I'm going to push 4, and then I can hit that tab key over. Takes me down. Oops. This time it didn't give it to me. I wonder why. So then I want w, x, y, z. And then I would just enter the equations that are on my screen. So I'll give you a minute to do that. So w plus 2x plus 2y minus z equals 0. Come down to the second one, w minus x plus 3y equals 7. And notice they don't all have all four variables in it, and that's fine. 2w minus x plus y plus z equals 6. And my last one, 2w plus 2x plus 3y minus 3z equals, and then again make sure you use the negative key, -1. And notice this time I end up with decimals, and that's fine. So 0.7, -1.2, 1.7, 1.7, and they go in the order. Notice it tells you what order they're in, so that's W, X, Y, and Z. Alright, so you have 4 more on your sheet. Go ahead and do those.